Okay, thank you to this new viewer as well as my new follower, right, in requesting to learn more about what is attraction marketing. So, what is attraction marketing then? So, attraction marketing, right, as the word is described, is to attract your potential customers through your content, right? And the nature of your content that you have posted onto any of your preferred social media channels, right, are in such a way value adding to your potential customers. Value adding in what sense? In regards to helping them to solve a certain unique type of problems specific to them or their pain points that is happening in their lifestyle, and they are actively seeking ways of solving it. And there you are coming along, right, with your value adding content, providing them ideas, suggestions, solutions, recommendation in helping them to solve their related problems that is going on in their lifestyle now. So when you gradually and consistently providing such value adding contents to your targeted potential customers, right, what you are doing, the ultimate result when you are putting in such effort, and it is also a form of marketing effort to attract your potential customers, right? What are you doing here? You are actually gradually building yourself up. And that process of building yourself up, you are actually building your own personal branding. So this is fundamentally the core of attraction marketing principles. So in other words, attraction marketing has the word marketing inside, right? So it is actually a business skills, a real world business skills that is evergreen in nature, that will never go outdated. So when you master such attraction marketing skills, or another way to put it, a marketing skills, right? Literally, you can choose to market anything of your choice using the internet. And to be more precise, attraction marketing comes in a basic level, intermediate, and advanced level. And to let you have something to look forward to when you actually learn the skills of attraction marketing, right? At the advanced level, you are actually automating a lot of your business building processes. For example, generating leads and even having sales in an automated way, because the automation is done using digital tools. For example, online advertising platform, right? On the social media, right? And perhaps you will be setting up AI chatbots to use the automatic way to engage your potential customers, right? And also you can, there will be things like email marketing using your email content, right? That are set up in such a way that you automatically send it out to your potential customers, right? To follow up with them in an automatic way without you, manually, right? One by one, going to all these potential customers, right? To build a deeper relationship with them. No, at the advanced level of attraction marketing, you'll be learning such kind of tech skills to set up, right, automated digital business systems, right, which I have given you a few examples earlier on, right? And when you set up in such a way, your business operation, majority of it are actually automated, right? So this will enhance your efficiency, your effectiveness to reach out to more people, more of your targeted potential customers at a quicker time, 24/7. Right? I hope this is helpful for you in understanding that why learning and mastering attraction marketing is so important when you try to pivot online here using the internet to build a business. Okay, as you have already commented, right? That means this keyword of attraction marketing, right? In a way, you are giving me the approval that you are interested and open to learn more about it, right? I have already sent you, right, two of the very basic resources that are provided by my attraction marketing mentor from the United States. I already send it to you in your DMs. So please go and check it out and listen to the audio that is provided, and plus the guide, the ebook guide that comes with it for your additional references. Should you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to me, right? And I can see whatever, to my best ability to help you further. All right. So and I will see you in my next video updates.